Prepare to feast with the beast and smash the like and subscribe button to join the gorilla family. Get ready to brow down with this easy and delicious creamy fruit salad, a sweet symphony for your taste buds. Here for ingredients we will need: apple 2 pieces, guava 2 pieces, banana 3 pieces, and dairy cream 50 grams with 1 tablespoon honey. Start off by peeling and deseeding all the fruits, then chopping them into small slices. Now add dairy cream on top. Then add honey with a spoon. And now we are gonna mix it all up. And that's it with this simple recipe. Just serve and enjoy. Thanks a bunch for indulging your taste buds with us. Until next time, stay hungry and keep savoring the goodness, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next